What's up you guys, Joseph here. In today's video we're going to talk about how to make money flying drones. So the first way you can earn money by flying a drone is using it for real estate. Now there are two different kinds of drones you could use for real estate. You can use what's called an FPV drone, which is this one right here. Or you can use a standard drone, which is this one right here. And let me explain the difference between the two. This one has a camera on board, which is this right here. And this one also has the ability to mount a GoPro on it. And the way you fly this one is you have these goggles that you put on, and you can see through those goggles what the drone sees via this camera. You also mount the GoPro on top of this drone, and obviously the GoPro will record wherever the drone goes. So the idea is that you use this one on the interior of homes and really give the potential buyer a layout of how the home looks on the inside. And this one's really cool because it's got these bumpers around the sides of it, so it doesn't matter if you bump into walls and that kind of thing, it'll just kind of bounce off and keep going. But this drone is really good for the inside of homes, so that's what you could use that one for. On the other hand, you have this drone, and this one would be used for more of the beautiful aerial shots that realtors get of properties, to kind of show exactly where it is, to show where like the main road is or anything like that. That's what you could use this kind of drone for. But let's talk about how you could make money while flying these drones for real estate. So not a lot of realtors have drones or know how to use them necessarily. So what you could do as a drone pilot is reach out to local realtors in your area and offer the service to either fly a drone inside the home to really impress clients that are interested in purchasing that property, or even offer them pictures of the outside of the building to get those really nice aerial shots that people like to see. Any realtor that doesn't offer that service, I think, would be at a disadvantage. So you offering that service to them would really equal out the playing field for them. So that is the number one and my favorite way to earn money from flying drones, is using them for real estate purposes. So the second way that you can earn money from flying a drone is using it for roof inspections. I've specifically used this drone to do multiple roof inspections for my business, and I found it really useful because I didn't have to take a ladder with me. The pictures I took were really impressive, because I was able to take pictures of the roof right off the edge, which is something I wouldn't be able to do if I was to use a ladder or anything like that. So this is really good to use when you want to inspect roofs. Like I said, it's super convenient, and as you can see, it's a pretty small drone. It's a little bit bigger than the size of my palm. So similar to the FPV drone, what you could do is reach out to local contractors and roofers in your area and offer them the ability to take pictures of projects that they're doing via drone. If it's not something that they use, again, I think they would be at a major disadvantage. And you offering that to them, I think you can charge a pretty penny for that service. And test out the market. Try different pricing with different contractors and see how it goes. But that is an excellent way to earn extra money flying your drone on the side. The third way you can earn money by flying your drone is using it for weddings. Now I can tell you firsthand, paying for wedding photography is not cheap. Shout out to George Niwa. But on a serious note, I would suggest doing that kind of photography for somebody that's more of a family friend or a cousin or a sibling or something like that. Doing it as a business would require a more serious drone than this. I think I purchased this for $300, and it takes HD pictures, but for something like a wedding, I wouldn't suggest doing it for, again, a business. I would go with something a little bit more heavy duty for that kind of thing. But if you have friends that don't want a huge wedding or anything like that, offering the ability to take pictures via drone for them would be great, and I think you can charge a decent amount for that service. But same thing with the roofing. I would kind of dabble as far as pricing and see what you can get for it. But taking pictures of weddings would be a great way to make extra money flying your drone. The fourth way is a little bit more of a unique way to earn money with a drone. Kind of depends on where you live. If you live in a more rural area, this would be perfect for you. What you could do is reach out to the farmers or anybody that owns land or grows crops or that kind of thing, and offer the ability to fly your drone and kind of inspect the property for them. Sometimes it's not convenient for that person to drive all the way out to the end of their property just to check to make sure their fence is still up or anything like that. So again, what you could do as a drone pilot is reach out to these kind of people and offer them the service to fly your drone and have them either see it live, or you could send them a video of you flying your drone over their property so that they can get an overview of that. And the really cool thing about what you could do with that is you can offer a continual service. So for example, you could say, I'll come out every 2 weeks and fly a certain path of your property and give you that file so that you could view it. And I think that would be a great way to earn extra money. Again, that kind of depends on where you live. For me, that wouldn't be something that I could do because there is no rural area anywhere around here. But if you do live in a place that does have farms and that kind of thing, I think that would be a great way to earn extra money while flying your drone. The fifth way you can earn extra money by flying a drone is not really flying the drone, but more doing repairs on them. Now let me tell you guys a quick story about my brother-in-law. He actually purchased a drone from the same company that I did, DJI, and upon opening the box, he charged it, got it all ready, and as soon as he put it on the floor, he hit takeoff. These drones have an auto takeoff. As soon as he swiped to take it off, it flipped over on him and crashed into the floor, which sucks, but what he had to do was send it all the way back to the company DJI, which is based in China. And I think it took him like 3 weeks to get the drone out there. It took them another month and a half to fix the drone, and then it took them another 3 weeks to send it back to him. So he was out of a drone for close to 2.5 months for something that I think could have been fixed here locally. So if you do have these kind of drones and you are handy, what you could do is kind of open them up and understand how they're built and how they work, and buy these spare parts and have a small stock, in stock of these spare parts for these things. And join Facebook groups and tell all your friends and family that have drones that you offer repair service. I think that is really unique, especially being able to do it locally and not have to send it out and wait and have that miscommunication and that kind of thing. I think you could charge a decent amount to repair drones for people that own them. The final way I think you can earn money by flying your drone is using it for birthday parties. Again, I can tell you firsthand that paying for kids' birthday parties is not cheap. If somebody came to me, if I didn't own a drone and somebody came to me and said, I could take amazing pictures of your kid's birthday party while flying it with a drone, I think I would be all over that. So anybody that has a drone and knows people that would be interested in taking pictures via drone, I think that would be an excellent way to earn extra money because, like I said, people kind of spend a little bit more when it comes to weddings, birthdays, that kind of thing. Anything that has emotion connected to it, people spend more money on those kind of things. So reaching out to them and offering that service, again, I think would be an excellent way to earn extra money on the side. But yeah, guys, that's how you make extra money while flying your drone. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Just a shout out to my wife for encouraging me to do a little bit more with my studio. I am going to be revamping this whole setup here in the next few videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Also, if you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, as it greatly supports my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.